Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update for the Amazfit Active 2 series, including the Active 2 Round, Active 2 Premium Round, and Active 2 Square smartwatches. Software version 6.7.0.1 is now rolling out, and it brings some exciting new features and improvements that users have been eagerly waiting for. First up, the headline feature, BioCharge. This new metric replaces the older Readiness function, offering a more detailed and intuitive energy level measurement. Think of it as your personal vitality dashboard, helping you understand how your body is feeling and when it's time to push harder or recover. But that's not all. This update also opens the door to fresh integrations with popular third-party fitness apps like TrainingPeaks and Intervals.icu, making it easier than ever to sync your workouts and data seamlessly. For serious runners, there's a new addition too. The Active 2 watches can now pair with the Stryd running power meter, giving you advanced metrics to optimize your training. Sleep tracking also gets a boost. The sleep score algorithm has been refined to improve accuracy, offering deeper insights into your nightly rest and overall recovery. A good night's sleep is crucial, and this update ensures your watch gives you the most reliable feedback possible. For convenience, Amazfit has added a neat shortcut feature. You can now double-press the lower button on the watch to quickly access customizable shortcuts, perfect for jumping right into your favorite apps or functions without navigating menus. And behind the scenes, there are other system improvements designed to enhance overall performance and stability, though details on those are kept under wraps for now. This update is rolling out gradually, with users in the US, UK, and Ireland among the first to receive it. If you own an Active 2 Round, Premium Round, or Square, keep an eye out for the software version 6.7.0.1 notification on your device. With the Active 2 Round priced around $99.99 on Amazon, this update significantly boosts the value of an already impressive smartwatch lineup. Whether you're a casual user or a dedicated athlete, the new features and enhancements make the Active 2 series even more compelling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next one.